Hi guys, my name is Annie. I hope you all have a great day so far. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm doing DIY sewing. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to see new video every Thursday. In video today, I'm going to be sharing with you on how to make a swimsuit, but not from scratch. I transformed it from my old dress. I found this dress when I reordered my wardrobe. I love the floral on it and the fabric is a little bit stretchy. Because summer is officially here, so I decided to turn this dress into swimsuit. I wanna bring you guys a simple way to sew and hope you like this video. Now let's get started. I sketched out my idea on the notebook. My swimsuit are two pieces. Top is garter at the book part and back tie, and simple high weighted bottom. I also drafted the pattern here. I got front bottom and back bottom. Just one panel for top here, but I'll cut two identical fabric pieces like this. Alright, starting to cut the front, the back, and the sleeves off. And now I'm going to pin two panels of the bottom pattern on the front part of the old dress. Keep them in place and cut up. And cut out two pieces for top. I used this fabric for lining part, nylon spandex in white. Okay, I'm gonna put the right side together and just sew on those hip lines. Then I'll cut the excess fabric and turn the right side out. So now I'm going to connect the both sides together, put the right side together with main fabric to main fabric and lining to lining. Alright, I'm gonna turn the right side out and through the hole with my hand, grab the other piece and pull it through so it's inside out, then connecting them together. After that, I'm going to cut the excess fabric and pull it back through. Now, I used a kind of cotton spandex fabric in black to apply the waist round with 2.5 cm width. Moving on to top, From the top, I'm going to go down 2 cm and mark it there. From there, cut off 1 cm on both main fabric and lining fabric, doing that on the center front line. Then fold it inside and sewing on each piece. After that, I'm gonna stick main part and lining part together, except the bottom and 2 holes at the top. Then turn the right side up. So now I'm going to make 4 strings with 2.5 cm width and 40 cm length. And then I'm gonna make a little hole at the angle point and put the string through and stitching them together, doing the same with the other side. Next, I'm going to stitching on the bottom. Now, taking the thread on top and pull it to gather fabric. Okay, now put 2 pieces close together and pin to keep them in place. I cut a string with 2.5 cm width and 18 cm length to cover the bottom of the top and tie it at the back. Next, I'm gonna stick 2 remaining strings on the string stitches from the armpit point. Lastly, I'm going to put the strings through 2 holes at the top and I'm done. And here are the final results. Hope you like my transformation and see you next Thursday. Bye!